Hello and welcome to another update video about Tesla. A lot of requests for a Tesla update, so I'll give you my best view of the latest price action. Assumption is that price bottomed here in a larger wave 2 on the 4th of January. We rallied in a wave 1. I think we talked about that already in the last video. It's been a few weeks, yeah. Talked about that here a wave 1 probably peaked. A possible low of a wave 2 was already in. We did enter our trend reversal area at the time. It was a great area there because price did obviously reverse and rally significantly. At the time, we weren't quite sure as to whether, okay, has wave 2 really bottomed or not, but the signal was a break above the trend line here. And since then, this third wave has really been running. The question is now, how deep will we retrace back, and what is a confirmation for further continuation to the upside? So I think it's time to do another update because it looks to me as if this third wave could have peaked now and we're now coming down in a fourth wave. Yeah. So that's the idea, and we can talk about the relevant support area now and how high it could really go. First of all, let's look at the subwave structure, subwave count. So the idea is that we should now be in this third wave rally here. Target for this third wave rally is at a minimum the 1.618 extension, but possibly higher. Yeah, so in terms of the 1.618 extension, we're dealing here with $340. That is what I would like this third wave to reach, at least as a minimum. Yeah. So currently the idea is that price is coming back in this fourth wave of a larger third wave. This fourth wave, we can measure some support. How do we measure support? Well, we can use the length of the third wave, which I did, starting at this wave 2 low, or the beginning of the third wave at 165, going all the way up to the third wave top at 277. And we've got a support area here between 221 and 250. Now 250 already broke, but that would have been a very, very weak correction. I think it's healthy to have a healthy and deep wave 4 because it rallied quite a bit. So you want to make sure that the indicators reset and everything. So this fourth wave pullback could find some support at 234, $234. It is the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. This is also where we've got this trend channel coming down, so we might have a bit of confluence of support here to find support at 234. What happens if we break below that level? Not a major problem, as long as price doesn't break below 221, because that's the 50% retracement, and if price breaks below the 50% retracement level, it would indicate a deeper pullback than what would be ideal for a fourth wave. And then we have to look at something more bearish. Yeah? I would then have to look at the idea that this was not a wave 1, this was not a wave 2, and this was not a third wave, or is a third wave in the making. No, I would then have to say A wave, B wave, C wave in a larger B wave with another low to come. So this 221 level is really the important pivot point for that. Okay. So yeah, you should now be very much aware about the relevant support, and then afterwards we should obviously get one more high. I can calculate for you a target for the fifth wave as soon as I have a low in place. We talked already about the minimum requirement for the third wave here, but we can be a bit more precise once we have the low for the fourth wave in play. Now there is one more way of looking at this, and I could actually say, okay, maybe this third wave has not even finished. And the reason for that is I can count it in a different way. I could just add another layer of waves, but I think it's a bit too early to really confirm that. We could be dealing with this. It wouldn't have a great impact on the support area, so I'll just leave it as it is. But this is another possibility where we could escalate even higher. Okay. So yeah, but it's a bit too early for that, so let's leave it as it was. Just want to indicate to you that there is a way to add another layer of waves here. The subwave structure would certainly allow for that. Anything else to add? Not really. I think now you're very much aware about the relevant support area. You're aware about the alternative. You're aware about a target to the upside. I think we're getting here close to a relevant level here at 234. And that's also the trend line support. Yeah. So that's my update about Tesla. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.